Thank you, Madam Deputy Speaker. And can I just welcome the tone with which the honourable gentleman has approached this. He's absolutely right that it is important that we remain calm on this, that we try to de-escalate it. The UK government and the authorities in Jersey and Guernsey have implemented the provisions of the Trade and Cooperation Agreement. We've licensed many vessels. In the case, for instance, of Jersey, while they have 65 of their own vessels in their waters, they will have granted access to well over 100 EU vessels to be in their waters. They've not been unreasonable in this. He asks about the issue of the crew. I have asked my officials this morning in the conversation I had to check that. We don't think there are any issues with the crew. The vessel was asked to go into port in the usual way as part of a routine inspection, and we don't think there are any issues of that sort to be concerned about. He's also right that UK vessels with a licence to fish in EU waters should be allowed to do so uninterrupted. And it's also the case that the UK will continue to implement and enforce things in good faith in our EEZ as well. We're not going to get into a sort of retaliatory tit for tat on this kind of thing. It's important, I think, that everybody remains calm. What I would say is, in terms of what the French have said that they will do in terms of borders, obviously France as an EU member state is bound by the official control regime, and there will be a role here for the European Commission to ensure that France doesn't break EU law in any approach that it'll take. And that's why obviously our principal port of call for this is talking to the European Commission, who negotiate on behalf of France on these matters. But we will also, of course, speak to French ministers and French officials as well. And finally, Madam Deputy Speaker, I don't agree with the caricature of the honourable gentleman that this is because we have lost control of a negotiation. The reason we have these tensions is that what we secured in the Trade and Cooperation Agreement means that there will be some EU vessels that previously had access that won't enjoy access in future. And obviously that's causing a bit of tension. We do understand that even though those vessels probably never accessed our waters and never took up the right that they had, it's an option that they would like to retain. But put simply, that is not what the Trade and Cooperation Agreement provided for. So it is by adhering calmly but resolutely to the terms that were agreed in the Trade and Cooperation Agreement that we have some of these tensions.
Yes.